너 나한테 그런 거냐?
No problem. Vincenzo, patata, pow, 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 you.
없잖아.
Oh, what's she doing? Oh, he has a
No,
tail. Oh, cute. He doesn't give a damn. Oh,
좋아하는 네가 필요한 사람.
pa, pa, pew, 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 pew. Ratatata his face. Let's go. Hey you guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are reacting to NCT Dream. What do I know about NCT Dream? I know Mark, because Mark. Well, actually, I know Mark from Super M because I know Super M before knowing other groups. That makes sense? That makes sense. So I know Mark from Super M. I know Mark. Pretty much all I know. To be honest, I only know Mark. I know Jisung because of the Killing Voice that we watched. Oh, who is you? Hi, my name is Yasmin. I cannot even see your face. I can barely see your eyes, but your voice I can hear it well. And oh my god, like oh my god.
Let's get it done.
He told me let's get it done. I've been saying since the beginning of this video. Yes, let's get it done. I agree. I am your place or my place. And I know Shenla. I don't remember his face. All I know is that he plays piano and I'm in love. Oh yeah! I also know... What were the songs? Broken Melody that we watched in this video and EISTTG that we watched in this video. That's it? That's it. But today we're gonna dive into them, into the songs that they make. So let's jump right into it. So first one is Chewing Gum. As I understood, Chewing Gum is their debut. And they're talking about chewing gum. I guess. Candies, whatever. Oh my god. Oh, my friend told me about Overboard. Actually, y'all told me about this one. So we're still gonna watch the MV today because I feel like watching the MV. And if you really want the Overboard one, we will do it on the part 2. Does that make sense? Good enough? Okay. Okay, but now I want to do the Overboard. Now. MV, it's more logical to start with that and then Overboard. Sounds like a plan. Okay. Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna try to spot Mark because he's the only one I know his face. Jisung, I know a bit his face, I guess. Oh my god, they're kids! Oh! That was Mark! No! 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 No, wait, can I pause on his face? Oh my god, no. Oh! The teacher is scary, that's all I gotta say. Ah! You're terrible! Oh, I forgot. Oh, there's no sissies. I cannot recognize none of them but Mark. Oh! Candies! Okay, I want candies now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! They're adorable! Oh! No. Chewing gum. I listened to that little part on Killing Voice. Oh, it's all pink and it's... Oh my god, wait. No. I thought they were young, but like, they're 12. That kid looks like he's 12. Literally. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. I can't, they're too adorable. What you do? Oh, babies! I swear, if my kids don't look like that, I don't want it. That's awful to say. Sorry, kid. Sorry. But, ah! The little round glasses! mark your eyes. No, I can't. Wait, is this kid is the same kid that earlier in stage he told me to go down? Okay. Oh, yeah, I would go down and I would not go down. No. And he said that, openly. Down. That's the same kid. Starfoula sur ta tête. Voilà, Starfoula sur ta tête. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh my god, they're so cute. No, but this kid, no. This kid was 8. No, he's 8. No. That's an actual kid. Oh my god, how old were they at debut? Wait, what? You're 12 and you rap that? Wait, what? Bro is 12 and he raps like that? 12, 11, 2, I don't care, it's the same. You're cute, bro! No, he's incredible. He's incredible since day one! They seem like they had so much fun in this set. Woo! Okay, kid, okay. I see you. There's a truck outside, I'm sorry. They're too cute. No. Okay. They're adorable. They're just adorable. Oh, they were such kids. They grew up so fast. They grew up too fast. Next is, I think it's Go Up, was it? The one that I really liked in the Killing Voice. Wait, I'm gonna cry. That's one of the best songs I've heard, and I barely just heard like 1 minute of it, even less. You gotta be kidding me! Did you just hear how the beat dropped? The voice is so high and so good. Ooh. Oh, there's no CCs again. Oh, I really like. Oh! 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 Oh, incredible. I don't care. That kid since day one. Wow! Oh, okay, no, I'm in love. I love this song. I don't care. That's the best song y'all have. I've listened to 3 of them, but like, oh no, it's gonna jump amazingly. Oh, with the dance is so much better. What? Oh no, I'm in love with Mark. I don't care. He got my heart. He got everything from me. He's like, oh. Hey. Ooh, B-ball. Okay, I see y'all. Can I play with you? Asking for a friend. No, asking for myself. Let's be honest. Ooh. I love you. Oh, you're good. No. That was Jisung, right? I recognize the voice. The voice is deep, and the voice is and the lips. Not gonna lie, recognize the lips. That's Jisung, right? I think. I'm not even sure. That's too big. Oh my god, oh my god. Faith, faith, faith. Oh, that's so good! No, it's too good. Whoa! You're perfect. You're good at everything. Oh no, Mark, he's wow. Oh, the smile. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, okay. That song was legit for my personal pleasure because I loved it on Killing Voice, so we're listening to it again. And now, Raiden. As I understand Raiden, Mark is not there because he graduated. So my friend told me it's part of the story of Identity Dream. So if I want like understand better, which I might get mad because y'all know how much I love Mark. I understand how y'all got mad when Mark was not there anymore. Like, imagine loving someone for so much. No, loving someone for so long in a group and loving the harmony and everything, and then one of them was like, "Ooh." And then you see the comeback and you're like, it's not even a comeback. I know Mark for 2.5 hours and I'm still mad. And I haven't even seen the MV. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to recognize people I don't know. Ooh, though it's pretty. Ooh! Ooh! Hey! What the voice? Who is you? Who is you? Ooh. That's my boy. That's my boy. The voice don't lie. That's my boy. Oh my god, this voice. I want him to have solos, please. No. You kidding me? You kidding me? You kidding me? It's all boom boom and then. I like you. Hi. The song is really good though. I know Mark's not here. I'm still like mad about it. Ooh! Ooh, he knows. That part makes all the tension in my heart and my soul and my life go away. Ooh! And then all the tension goes back! Ooh! I love you. I listen. Ooh! Oh my god, let's roll. Yeah, ok. Dans ma petite Toyota Matrix, là. Voilà, on va rouler comme ça. Là, ta 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 ta. Et oh, let's roll.
Let's roll.
Wow. Oh! Wow! Oh, I love that move. I love you. No, I'm done. This guy has a power on me. I don't care. The way he moves, look at that. The way, oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like I can breathe again. Oh my god, I'm breathing! Not gonna lie, love the song, love the guys, but Mark was missing. I need my Mark, okay? When I type NCT, if Mark is not there, is it actually NCT? Bro is everywhere. Is it NCT if Mark is not there? Not sure about that. Hot sauce! Gives me... I usually hate hot sauce, but now with you guys... We did hear that on the Killing Voice, I believe. Okay, my voice back! Yes! Ooh, the moves! I missed you. I missed you for the 5 past minutes. I missed you so much! Oh. Oh my god, your voice. This guy's lips has a beady boop boop, beady boop boop, la. Oh, that song is good. Deep voice. Papi deep voice. That's funny. Papi deep voice. And then Papi dancing. Mark is hypnotizing. I love you so much. Oh, puppy. Oh god, it's hard. Oh, the moves of voice. Wow, yo, NCT Dream's good, bro. They all have like something incredible in them. I want you. What happened with his mouth and his neck and his jawline and everything? What happened in there? What you mean? Ah! Wow, okay. Oh. No, this guy has to do the lips! Enjoy the perfect taste lingerie over the tip of your tongue. I was not reading the lyrics until I thought we were talking about hot sauce, you know. Enjoy the perfect taste. Lingering. Over the tip of... Are they kidding already? I am so glad I was not reading the layer. You want what? Hot sauce? Chili pepper? Bouncy. No! No, that's not what they meant. No. NCT Dream, like they're dreaming, they're fun, they're. I was not reading. Oh, do not speak, you. Be careful what you say. Oh. Did he arm me? Arm me again, please. Again. Take my dish. Pick as you like, Matt. I am so glad I was not reading the lyrics. Pick as you like my dish. No, he meant his fries. Oh, fucking bullshit, man. Shut up, Yas. Oh, and he's happy about it. Oh, and you're happy about it. Okay. No, I'm good. I promise I'm good. Oh, we did glitch mode too. I forgot. We did glitch mode. Okay, one last. I think is their comeback or the last one or the... I don't know, man. I'm losing it. Poison something. You're classy and pretty? You're classy and pretty.
한순간 밀려본 눈빛 Wanna take a look inside you 수없이
He wants to look at... He wants to look inside...
you 수없이 허물어져도 좋을
Oh my god, your voice! Ah! Ten minutes ago, they were singing chewing gum, chewing yum yum yum, and now he's becoming a 10. He's becoming Kai 10, Taemin. Hey, oh, va-t-a bien? Not that he seems comfy, but like, can we just enjoy? You know what? Let's. I paused at the right time, so let's just all sit, grab like a bit comfy, and just enjoy for the couple of seconds. Let's analyze this picture here. We have a man in his 20s, aka the best time to be alive, on a cuir sofa that must be more expensive than my life. He has a suit, a pretty suit, pretty classy. And then he forgot to put his t-shirts on the morning. And he's looking up, showing us his neck and jawline and lips. Bro knows what he's doing. Oh, bro, I do not like you, right? I hope everyone enjoyed this little time of... Sure. That's what maturity does to people. He really did. That was you made my day. He knows. I'm melting. I'm dying. I'm melting. I'm everything. I'm not. His voice. Your head on my shoulder, hinting for it. Or didn't wear it. Nah, I'm not good, I'm not good. Plus, the song is fucking amazing. It's one of the best, I think it is the best song we've heard today. And bro didn't wear a shirt again. Another time to analyze this picture. So we have sand here. Oh, he's opening his legs. We're not analyzing this picture anymore. This song is perfect. It's perfect. Y'all, wow. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna review my life choices again, because I'm not doing good. I'm peace out, I guess. Much love. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as me. Hope you enjoyed watching that with me. And I guess I'll see you in next video. Bye.